So disclaimer, because Evo, Gimo, everybody, this is, why do we do this? We do this for information purposes, and like we've always said, there's videos about how to tune your cars and motorcycles and all of that. So we're essentially doing the same thing. Also, the e-bike industry is, there's no books or websites or anything, and so I guess we're just kind of doing our part to get more information out there. So the disclaimer is that these bikes are not built to do excessive speeds, right? Tires, what were you saying?
Well, I mean, if you're going to make your bike do 120 or 130, 140 kilometers an hour, make sure you can get it stopped. You're talking about brake upgrades, you're talking about tire upgrades. You know, you got to get it stopped. You got to be able to control it. Like if you throw those Chinese tires into an off ramp at 70 kilometers an hour, you're going to be off in the rhubarb. So.
Yeah, and then we've always said, if you, what I kind of like about this is why I kind of support it, is that I like a little more Takeoff. These are pretty pokey from the factory of their Takeoff, because I used to ride motorcycles, so I'm kind of like, oh, it'd be nice if they just took off. I'd be okay with them going fast till like 32. Like if I could just get to 32 a bit quicker. Anyways, that's my point of view. But and then my last point is don't drive like an asshole. It always comes down to that, is don't be an asshole. Excuse me, I must go. Anything else for disclosure?
I don't think so.
Okay.